Guys, Ryan the fan guy here, and here we have a Hunter Art Deco. This fan is in my friend's old bedroom. As you know, she passed away, and yeah, I did a tribute video to her, and this is her memorial spot. Basically, any one of her close friends could sleep in this room. And yeah. So anyways, here's the light. So that's the wrong switch. The lights, unfortunately you can't operate it from the switch, as you know the lights default to on. You have to pull it from this pull chain. Now please guys, please do not pull this pull chain on the left, because this fan is only supposed to run on low, as it blows the candles right here. As there's candles right here, and if it runs on any higher than low, it blows the candles. And yeah. Anyways, let's turn it on. It's just only going to be one speed, which is low. It's because it's candles, like I said. I'm gonna put the AC on high since I don't want you to hear the shower. I'm in an office space right now, and near a shared bathroom. Anyways, here's low. Here's the light. Anyways, here's the light off. And let's shut it off again. And yeah, this fan's probably going to stay in here more than likely, because this is like a memorial to this room. And my friend, my best friend, still wants to keep this fan in here. As you know, the other room, the little Havana, halogen stars are going to stay there too. The halogen stars are a perfect sign for heaven too, and this fan is too. And this fan does match the bed too, so. And it's still spinning down. The only thing I do with this fan is when I touch it, just clean it and oil it. And I do not change the speed at all. Now that's why the chains are high ups, because I don't like people changing the speed on this fan. Because there's a sign right, because I think you know why, I told you earlier. And I put the sign here so that people will know not to change the speed of the fan. Anyways, thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.